For homeowners in Sumter, investing in energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest upgrades you can make. Beyond adding curb appeal, these modern windows are designed to deliver long-term comfort, savings, and value. Whether your goal is lowering utility bills, enhancing indoor comfort, or increasing your property's resale value, energy-efficient windows offer multiple advantages that make them a worthwhile choice. Lower energy bills year-round. One of the most significant benefits of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce monthly energy expenses. Traditional single-pane windows allow heat to escape in winter and let warm air pour in during summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up energy costs. Energy-efficient windows, equipped with features like double or triple glazing, low E coatings, and insulated frames, help maintain a stable indoor temperature. For Sumter homeowners, where hot summers and mild winters are common, this means reduced reliance on air conditioning during peak heat and better insulation when temperatures drop. Over time, the savings on utility bills can offset much of the installation cost. Improved indoor comfort is more than just temperature, it's about creating a consistent, enjoyable atmosphere inside your home. Energy-efficient windows minimize drafts, reduce hot and cold spots, and block excess heat from the sun. In a Sumter home, this can make a huge difference. During the hot summer months, these windows help prevent indoor spaces from overheating. In cooler seasons, they keep warmth inside where it belongs. The result is a more comfortable home environment that feels cozy and stable no matter the weather outside. Enhanced home value. Installing energy-efficient windows is an upgrade that adds tangible value to your property. Homebuyers are increasingly drawn to houses with modern, eco-friendly features that promise lower utility bills and reduced environmental impact. For homeowners planning to sell, showcasing energy-efficient windows in a listing can make the property more attractive and competitive. Even if selling isn't on the immediate horizon, the long-term return on investment makes this upgrade a smart financial move. Noise reduction. For a quieter home, many energy-efficient windows come with multiple panes and insulated frames, which also help reduce noise infiltration. This feature is especially beneficial for Sumter homes located near busy roads, schools, or commercial areas. By blocking out unwanted sounds, energy-efficient windows create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Families can enjoy restful nights, more focused work-from-home days, and better relaxation time without the constant intrusion of outside noise. UV protection. For interiors. South Carolina's sunny climate is beautiful, but prolonged exposure to sunlight can fade and damage your home's interiors. Furniture, flooring, and curtains often bear the brunt of harmful ultraviolet rays. Energy-efficient windows with low E glass coatings filter out a significant portion of these UV rays. This protection helps preserve the appearance and lifespan of your interior decor, saving you money on replacements and keeping your home looking fresh and vibrant. Environmental impact. Beyond personal comfort and savings, energy-efficient windows contribute to a more sustainable future. By lowering your home's energy consumption, you're reducing demand on local power plants and decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. For eco-conscious Sumter residents, this upgrade aligns with broader environmental goals. It's a step toward reducing your household's carbon footprint while still enjoying the modern conveniences of heating and cooling. Reduced maintenance needs. Traditional windows can develop condensation, warping, and deterioration over time, requiring frequent upkeep. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced materials and technology that make them more durable and resistant to weathering. Features like insulated frames, advanced sealing, and modern glass coatings minimize the issues that typically cause maintenance headaches. Homeowners benefit from less frequent repairs and a longer lifespan for their windows. Final thoughts. For Sumter homeowners, energy-efficient windows are more than just a stylish home improvement, they're a practical investment. They lower energy bills, improve indoor comfort, protect your home's interior, and contribute to a greener environment. Whether you're upgrading for personal comfort or planning ahead for resale value, The benefits of installing energy-efficient windows make this decision an easy one. If you're ready to enjoy a cooler summer, a cozier winter, and real savings on your energy bills, energy-efficient windows could be the perfect next step for your Sumter home.